Here is your information about the Indigenous Responses little project. So on your calendar, let me find it here. Do I not have it? Probably not. There we go. So on your calendar for today, it says Resistance Movements Infographic Project posted on Google Classroom. So what you are doing is this is going to be uploaded under the assignments. And I believe, what am I calling it? Indigenous Responses Mini Project. So you guys will have access to this PowerPoint and you'll be allowed to edit it. It is a digital museum that you're going to walk through, and you'll use the information you find in here to fill out your chart in your interactive notebook. Except you need some information because there's some pieces missing. So each of you have been broken up into groups of 2 or 3 to create the graphics for me that would be found in our digital museum. So if you go to direct resistance, for example, if you click on this picture, this one, this statue, or this one, it will take you to a page. So let's say I did this one. Okay, Ya Santwa, there's nothing here. There's a primary document. I can read that, and then I can go back. I can go to a secondary source, which is great, but I'm still missing a ton of information, right? There's an infographic here that is missing. It's the same for all of these. All right, they all have things to do. Now, if you go to different rooms, there's different things. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then religious, we have 1, 2, and 3. All right. So let me exit out of this. You guys have to make the infographics. I have an example for the 1857 rebellion. Here is the infographic. It's not mine. It was submitted by a teacher that I stole this project from and edited it. But I have information about the historical context, so contextualization here. I have a map of what happened, some other pictures. I have a summary of the event, and then what the outcome or consequences were. All of this information is what's going to help you fill out the chart on, I believe, page 23 of your interactive notebook. All right. So your first goal is get with your partner or group and create this infographic. All right. If you look at the top of the slides for each event, you will find names of people that were assigned to each one. Right. In my first hour, or in my second hour, I had to have some groups of 3 because you're a larger class. In this group, all of you are in groups of 2. All right. So go through, find what group and what topic you're doing. On Classroom, I will post this as well. And it is the directions for your Google Drawing. These infographics have to be done using Google Draw. If you are not comfortable with it, you will figure it out. Otherwise, look up an online tutorial. The due date will not be this. Okay, it is due in class today because you will have the whole class period to do it. Okay, there's your focus, but more importantly, here are your steps to take. All right, if you are somebody who really wants the example, there you go. Also, there's a rubric if you're like, how do I get all the points for this assignment? Okay, so once you are done with your graphic, it's a Google Draw. It should save in your Google Drive. You can go over here, you can go to your thing, and you can go to Insert. I believe you can do Image, and you can go to your Drive, and it should upload. If that doesn't work for you, open up your example that you've just created. Where did I put it? Right here. Okay, do your snipping tool. New. Whoops, let me do a better cut job there. That was a really poor one. I can cut the image. I can save it on my desktop. Okay, name it something. Now that it's saved, I can go into here. I can do insert image, upload from my computer, and I can find it. Okay, I don't care which way you do it. It doesn't matter to me, but they all need to be in there at the very least by the end of the class period. Okay. Once you are done with your topic, and other people should probably be getting done with theirs in a timely fashion as well, you will go to your interactive notebook. Let me find it. second hour one, let's say, because they're the same with different links. You're going to go to page 23. And there's this chart. Okay? You go, you find the information, you go through here, and that's it. Okay, that's that assignment. It's also just an extra kind of like little mini project grade that can boost your grades. I know some of you are worried about it. So this is all the links you need that will be located here once I get it all uploaded today, or get it uploaded tonight. You won't see this till tomorrow though. But if you have questions, if you get stuck, please let me know. But yeah, some of you are working with people you know, some of you are not. I guess you know them, but maybe you're not close with them. You're gonna work together and maybe meet some new people. So again, you can use the resources like the primary and secondary sources, but you're probably gonna have to go use other online sources. I keep telling kids that if you're trying to research something and you're afraid you're getting incorrect information, try to add AP World History into your Google search. So Xhosa cattle killing movement, AP World History. It'll bring you to other things, other resources that were probably either made by AP World students or teachers or College Board. So those are all good things to try to access, all right? So please, again, let me know, but this will be your goal for today, along with the other worksheets that are listed wherever this calendar is. There we go. Okay, so these ones kind of go together, the infographic and the chart, and then you just have your normal vocabulary and reading and Heimler, and then you do have a cash crops and raw materials one because imperialism is all about robbing your new colonial territories of all of its resources. So what are the things that they are most focused on? All right, keep up the good work, guys.